If you want to delete your FuboTV account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is closed and your information is removed. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the FuboTV website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, look for the subscription or billing section. Here, you will find information about your current plan and subscription status. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. Before deleting your account, you need to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel, ensuring that you confirm the cancellation when prompted. Step 5. Contact customer support. To permanently delete your account, you will need to contact FuboTV customer support. You can do this through the Help Center or by using the chat option. Request account deletion and follow any additional instructions they provide. After completing these steps, your FuboTV account will be scheduled for deletion. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation from FuboTV regarding the account closure.